Oh, car sold. Car's gone. Yeah, let's talk about that. Yeah, probably some of you are wondering, why did I sell the car? We still had some stuff we wanted to do. Honestly, it was trying to get into a fastback is what I want to do. I still like the Mustang, I still like that car, but where I really want to be is in a fastback, and if I could sell that car and get in a position to buy one, that's what I want to do, that's what I'm looking to do. The nice thing is that we'll continue to be the content on this channel. We'll get to continue to work on a car, but it'll be a new car. But I got to find one first. As of right now, when I'm filming this, I don't have anything yet. I don't have anything lined up. With that white car, I also got to a point where the stuff that was left to do was the expensive stuff. You know, well, expensive in that, like, if I wanted to do a cam in that motor and jazz it up a little bit, that was going to be, you know, a good chunk of money. If I wanted to do the heads on that motor, if I wanted to redo the interior, put, you know, all brand new seats in, or that kind of stuff, it was getting to the point where trying to be able to afford the parts to keep these videos coming out once a week, I kind of did all the, what we'll call the cheap stuff. I know that T5 swap that I had done not too long ago wasn't cheap, and that ended up being a great modification. I'm glad I did it, but it was way more expensive, over double what I thought it was going to be when I had purchased that T5 in an impulse buy. So I'm so glad I bought it. I worked a deal out with the boss. She let me put that transmission in and the cost that goes with it. But most of the stuff you've seen over doing all these videos have been parts that everyday guy can do. You know, they're not super expensive. You know, a lot of parts that are less than $100 to do. Some are $200. And I had some expensive items too, like the wheels and tires. I mean, that's not cheap. The disc brakes in the front, that's not a cheap mod. But a lot of what I was trying to do was the stuff that you guys would want to do in your car. You know, the window doesn't roll up. How do we address that? Well, we got to grease the rollers. Maybe the rollers fell off the track or something. You know, stuff like that we can do. The parking brake, you know, that's not working. It ended up just being, I just needed to grease the setup in there. It hadn't been bothered with for a long time, and I thought I had to put a new braking unit in there, parking brake unit, and I didn't have to. So stuff like that. A lot of stuff applies to you guys, but I was running out of that kind of stuff. I didn't have much left, and I didn't want to run out of content. I still have, as I'm filming this, I still have some videos that are going to be uploaded that I have done. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I can get into the next car so there won't be a break. And if you're watching this, you'll know by now if there was a break in videos. But I want to keep this going, trying to do one a week, and give you guys something to watch. So yeah, the car I want to do a fastback, a 65 or a 66 fastback. That's what I've been wanting to do. My first 66 Mustang was just a red coupe. Then I had this white coupe. And the whole time I've been trying to get to a fastback, but the prices of them keep going up as time goes on, and I'm just never getting close enough. So we're gonna see what I can do. So either the next car will be another coupe, and we'll work with that, or maybe it'll be a fastback, so we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, that was kind of a shorter video this week. Just wanted to cover where we were at with the car, why it's gone, what happened to it, and hopefully by the time you guys see this, I'll have something else in queue, and we can keep this project rolling. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you hit the subscribe button, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out. All right, thanks for sticking with me. We'll see you in the next one. What do you think about wrapping this around the lower control arm?
Oh yeah, I don't know why I wouldn't do that. Or otherwise sometimes I just go, you know, in fact, go around the...
Oh, you know, we could also go around...
the lower A here.
Yeah, the lower control arm, yeah, let's...
Yeah. And that works too, because I know the brake line now is right there. Right? Yeah. Same as fuel lines.